please remove that point in the dialog box? Please?
Okay, so can you see it now? I have written homogeneous.
Sir, what have to write?
Write whatever I'm writing on the screen. Okay, write down whatever I'm
Sir,
writing on the screen.
read
Okay. Okay, so what does homo mean? Can you tell me what does homo mean? What does homo mean?
There's
Can you tell
nothing
me?
written here. It's
Huh?
not showing.
Okay, can you tell me what does
It's
homo
not
mean?
showing.
All of you can see my screen. See, I can see in the app that all of you can see my screen. Okay, I can see that all of you can see my screen. So those who are having problems seeing
Sir,
the
now,
screen,
sir, now, sir.
it's okay. Those who are having problems seeing the screen, kindly refresh your phone and restart it again. Okay, now we will be doing homogeneous and heterogeneous substance. First is homogeneous. What does homogeneous mean? Homo, yes, homo means same. What does homo mean? Homo means same. And what does hetero mean? Can you tell me what hetero means?
Different.
Yes, hetero means different. So homo means same, hetero means different. Okay, now can you give me an example of homogeneous substance? Can you give me an example of homogeneous substance?
Iron, gold,
Yes. Yes, tell me, tell me.
carbon dioxide,
Okay. Okay. So,
water,
who is that? Who is that? Who shouted like that? Who shouted like that? Dhrubajyoti, if I hear it again, I'll remove you, okay? This is my first and last warning. That noise came from you, showed in the app. If I hear it again, you will be permanently removed from my class. You should keep that in mind. Now, so homogeneous substances are those substances that has number one uniform composition, and number two, it must have uniform composition everywhere. That means uniform throughout. Not only uniform composition, but that uniform composition should be throughout. Let me give you an example. Suppose you are having this block. Let this block be made up of gold. Okay, this block is made up of gold. This is made up of gold. You know the symbol of gold is AU. So, if this block is made up of gold, then if I take a part from here, this will also be made up of gold. If I take a part from here, this will also be made up of gold. Is that clear? That means if it is made up of gold, it will be made up of gold throughout. Is the idea clear to all of you? Okay. Let me read what is.
Sir,
Yes.
number is uniform throughout.
Yet it has to be uniform. It has to be uniform in composition and it has to be uniform throughout. Is that clear? Okay. Okay, let me read what's in the book. A substance is homogeneous if the different parts of it have the same property and composition. That means if it is uniform throughout, it will have uniform or same property. Write down, it will have uniform or same property. Okay, so it will have uniform composition and it will have uniform or same property. Is the idea clear to all of you? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, all elements, example hydrogen, oxygen, iron, gold, etc., and compounds, example salt, sugar, water, etc., are homogeneous substances. The different parts of any sample of these substances will behave similarly and have the same composition. Suppose you take a pure substance. We will do two kind of things. First, yes, tell me. Dhrubajyoti, tell me, you are always having problem in something or the other. Tell me, what is your problem now?
Sir, can you see the upper portion of the screen?
Everyone can see all of the portion of the screen. Only you are having
Yes, sir.
problem. Everyone can see all of the portion of the screen. Only you are having problem. So tell me, what is your problem? I cannot understand. Okay.
I can
Yes.
see the screen. You want to see the lower portion. I want to see the upper portion. That the first what you written.
You have not written this one.
Yes, this.
Okay, write it later on.
Yes,
If you
written.
have not written this one, write it later on. You should be at part of the class.
To write down that box. One box you made.
Which one? Tell me again. Yes, you have to write down pure and compound.
Sir, we have not given
Any one person speak. Lavanya, stop. Let Aditi speak. Yeah, Aditi, tell me.
Sir, you not given any heading out of the chart. Pure and compound.
Yeah, I am doing homogeneous substances. Okay. I am doing homogeneous substances. So it will be a subpart of homogeneous substance. It will be a subpart of homogeneous substance. Is that clear to all of you now? Those who have joined late, you write the top portion from your friends, because this class starts from 10:15, and if you join late after 10 minutes, it will be obvious that you will miss the first portion of the class. So next time, join together, and those whose name I have given absent are those who are not present or they have joined late. Okay. In my class, you need to be present at the right time. Whatever the network problem is, it does not take more than 5 minutes to join, because every one of you can join within that time. So those who are joining late must also join within that time. Is that clear? Okay. Now, homogeneous substances, we will do two examples. One is a pure, like we have done an example with gold in the previous case. Compound, such as water. Now, gold is made up of only one kind of atom, that is gold. But water is made up of two kind of atom. One is hydrogen and another one is oxygen. It is made up of two kinds of atom. One is hydrogen, another one is oxygen. So, two molecules of hydrogen.
Sir,
Yes.
AU means atom.
No, AU is the symbol of gold. AU is the symbol of gold. Is that clear? AU is the symbol of gold.
Yes.
Okay. Now, so out of this pure and compound, we see water molecule is made out of two hydrogen and one oxygen. Now, suppose you take a glass of water. Suppose you take a glass of water, what you will see? That if you fill this glass of water, if you fill this glass with water, what you will see? If you look at any portion of this glass, if you look at any portion of this glass, if you take out this portion, this will be water. If you take out this portion, this will also be water. Is that clear? That means it is a homogeneous, that means it is a homogeneous mixture. Is the idea clear to all of you?
Yes.
Okay, now we will do heterogeneous. Hetero,
Sir,
yeah.
go up. I have to write compound. Then what I not
Okay.
write.
Okay, write down fast. You need to increase your writing speed. If you are slow, you will face a problem in learning. Okay, you need to increase
done.
your writing speed. Okay, very good. Now, heterogeneous mixture. Let me read heterogeneous mixture. A substance is heterogeneous if the different parts of it differ in property and composition. So we have 2 points. Number one is it is differing in composition. It is differing in composition and it is differing in uniformity, or you can say it is differing in property. Is that clear? It is differing in composition, and it is differing in uniformity, or it is differing in property. Okay. Now let us see a heterogeneous mixture. For example, a mixture of sand and water or that of rice and husk is heterogeneous. The different parts of these mixtures differ in property and composition. Okay. However, a mixture may be homogeneous too. Example, a solution of sugar and water. You cannot distinguish between any two parts of a sugar solution in taste and content. Solutions are mixtures, but they are homogeneous. An alloy is also a homogeneous mixture. So an alloy, if solid, is a solid solution. Okay, let us do it in this way. So suppose we are working with homogeneous mixture. Now let me show you an example. Let me show you an example. Suppose I Google chanachur. What I see if I Google chanachur? If I do the images of chanachur, see, what do I see? I see this as chanachur. Okay. Now, see, this is chanachur. Tell me one thing, is it even? Is this part even every time? Is this even? There are some parts of badam, there are some parts of green, some parts of simui, some parts of flakes. So it is not uniform, right? It is not uniform. So if I take this image, you can see that it is not uniform. So this will be a heterogeneous mixture. Is that clear? Now, suppose you take a mixture of husk and rice mixture. You take a husk and rice mixture.
Husk means?
Husk means, have you seen dhan at home? Have you seen dhan at home?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you mix, yes, if you mix rice and husk together, then that will not be a uniform mixture. Okay. Suppose if you look at it, I see, is it a uniform mixture? Does it look uniform? No. All of the parts are not.
No, sir.
Yes, all of the parts are not same. So it is not a uniform mixture. Is the idea clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if we see heterogeneous mixture, like if we see a mixture of chanachur, there will be different parts. There will be badam, there will be chanachur, there will be other kind of curry leaves. So is it uniform? This is not uniform. That means it will be a heterogeneous. It will be a heterogeneous mixture. Is the idea clear to all of you? This will be a
Then we have to
heterogeneous
draw
mixture.
this.
You can leave it or you can draw it for your composition also. Okay, it depends on
Sir, I
you.
will just screenshot.
Yeah, of course. Okay, so this is a heterogeneous mixture. Now let us do another type of homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. See, when we mix two completely different substance, Suppose I am mixing, there are two cases. In first case, I am mixing sand and water. In the second case, I am mixing carbon dioxide and water. Okay, CO2 stands for carbon dioxide. Okay, CO2 stands for carbon dioxide. Now I am mixing two things. I am mixing sand and water. I am mixing carbon dioxide and water. Okay. Now how will a mixture of sand and water look? Let us see. A mixture of sand and water. Sand and water mixture. Okay. How will a mixture of sand and water look? Let us see some image if we can get. See, this is a mixture of sand and water. Tell me one thing. The mixture that we are seeing is this mixture uniform? Is this mixture uniform? See, it has the
No.
sand at the bottom, it has sand at the top. This in between substance is also not uniform. So sand and water mixture is not uniform, right? Sand and water mixture is not uniform. Okay. But have you seen milk? Have you seen milk? Is milk uniform?
Yes.
Why is milk
Yes.
uniform?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is uniform.
It is uniform. Have you seen a sugar
Yes.
solution? Is a sugar solution
sir.
uniform?
Sir, it also means.
Yes. So
It also means.
yes. So that means if we mix salt and water, if we mix salt and water or sand and water together, two different kinds of mixture will be formed. In case of sand and water, we will see that the sand is accumulated at the bottom and a part of water will be at the top. The in between thing is also not homogeneous. Is that clear? But if we see the same mixture with carbon dioxide or salt or sugar, if we add carbon dioxide or salt or sugar, we will see that we will get a uniform mixture. Is that clear? So this kind of mixture, a mixture of carbon dioxide and water, salt or water, sugar or water, fat or water, what does fat or water make? It makes milk. Okay, fat and water together makes milk. Fat, protein and different components together with water make milk. Okay, so this will be a homogeneous mixture. This will be a homogeneous mixture and this one will be a heterogeneous mixture. Is it clear? This one will be a heterogeneous mixture, this one will be a homogeneous mixture. So when we mix to different kind of substances, when we mix to different substances, we can also get heterogeneous and homogeneous mixture. Is the idea clear to all of you?
Yes.
Okay, so we have completed this topic. Let me show you an overview. So we have done homogeneous and heterogeneous substances, the substances that have uniform composition and which are uniform throughout are homogeneous. Substances which are not uniform in composition or not uniform in property are heterogeneous. And we have seen that when we mix to different substances, we can also get heterogeneous and homogeneous mixture. Okay, now when we talk about alloy, what happened? Don't talk. Who is this talking in the background? All of you turn off your mic. All of you turn off your mic. Okay, so when we are talking about solid things like alloy, suppose we are creating an alloy by mixing copper and zinc. By mixing copper and zinc, we are making an alloy by mixing copper and zinc. What is that alloy? We get brass. We get brass by mixing copper and zinc. Now, how do we do them? We melt both of these substances and we get brass. Yes.
Copper plus, sir, copper plus, what is this?
Zinc, ZINC. ZINC,
Huh?
zinc. ZINC, zinc.
Okay. Sir,
Copper
what
plus
is you, sir,
Yes.
what is made by zinc?
What is made by zinc is a kind of material. It is a kind of metal. Okay. Zinc is a kind of metal. Is that clear? Copper is also a kind of metal like iron, like gold, like silver, like aluminium. Copper is also a kind of metal. Zinc is also a kind of metal. We mix both of them and we get brass. Is that clear? Now,
Yes.
brass has uniformity. Brass is uniform or brass has uniformity, then alloy can be said as a homogeneous mixture. It is a solid mixture, but it is also a homogeneous mixture. Is the idea clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Do you see all of the writings clearly and distinctly?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How is our class today? Is it better than the class?
Very good. Very good.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. It was nice getting the feedback. Okay. So our class will be over now. Bye bye all of you.
Bye, sir.
Okay. Okay.
playing for
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Yeah, I am sir, then I am absent.
You are absent. Join in the right time. I have taken the attendance after 5 minutes. If you don't join in the right time, I won't give you present. See, this is your attendance copy. I'm showing you your attendance copy. This one is your attendance copy. Okay. Those who are getting absent are either joining after 8 minutes. Those who are getting absent are either joining after 8 minutes or they are absent for the day. So keep it in mind, join in the right time in my class. Okay? Bye bye all of
Okay,
you.
sir.
Okay, bye bye all of you.
Sir.
Yes.
Bye bye, sir. Sir, you that in the previous science class,
Okay.
I joined in the class, but I cannot see any video or your voice. I
Okay.
cannot listen.
Okay,
Also.
what is your name?
Tandrima Pal.
Okay, let me wait. You are Tandrima Pal. Tandrima Pal was present on 28th. I gave you a present, you are at the right time. Okay.
In the first, I have joined the same in the correct time and have given the attendance also.
Okay.
But later, I cannot see anything on the board and I cannot write anything.
Okay, okay.
Sir, can you please give the information
Okay.
about what you have done?
Okay, I have done the previous thing about pure and impure substances. I have done a little bit of non-metal and I have done a little bit of alloy also. Okay. Study from
Okay, sir.
page number 5. Study from page number 5 to page number 7 before homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Is that clear all of
Okay,
you?
sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir. Thank